Hello everyone, today is a special day. We're gonna celebrate. You happy we're gonna celebrate today?
Welcome to Sailing Talia. This week we show you what it's like to celebrate with other liveaboards for a very special occasion.
Join us as we take the plunge into the winter waters of sunny Sicilia.
Just drop! Drop it like it's hot! 1, 2, 3.
Well, she tried. But first up, Gelato Italiano.
This is what it's all about.
Alright. Hello everyone. It's actually the first day of the year where we have a beautiful sun. Check this out. The weather is just perfect and it's crazy to think that it's actually winter.
22 degrees, I'm in shorts and a t-shirt. Laure has decided to wear her branded jersey because it's just so fashionable.
No, but if I remove my jumper, I know I'm gonna be cold because I'm the kind of person who's always cold. And if I eat an ice cream, I prefer to have my hoodie. Alright, let's go.
There's people playing pétanque over there.
Pétanque.
I love that Roman villa. Check it out. That's fine. It's nice.
Ready for Saturday?
Yeah. 2 days and then I swim. Man, it's calm.
It is. Can you surf?
Of course.
Can you?
Yeah.
Are you a professional?
Definitely not.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Come fare windsurf?
You have a surfboard?
Yes.
See? Normal surfboard?
Surfboard, soft.
Soft.
I use windsurf. For today it's okay.
So we just had a chat with the guy who rents out the kite surfs and the surfboards. He seemed pretty keen to do business with us, but there's not a lot of wind today, so I don't think it's the right day to practice kite surfing. Maybe another day.
Are you happy it's almost your birthday?
Makes no difference, it's just another day. But I'm happy the sun's shining and I'm wearing a t-shirt and a pair of shorts for the first time in the year. Not bad for February if you ask me. Some serious business going on here.
Yeah, I can see that.
This is what it's all about, pistachio and dark chocolate. Is there anything in life that's actually...
Chocolate on your teeth.
So why would you stop? Is there anything in life that's better than true Sicilian gelato? I think not.
So, Luke ate like a pig, so he went to the sea to wash his hands and face. Hey everyone! So, since you saw yesterday, we went for a gelato on the beach and we saw some people playing pétanque, which is actually, I think, a French game. We've decided today to go with some of our lovely neighbors at the marina to go on the beach and have a little game with them. So let's see who's gonna win. And I think it's going to be pretty nice because everyone brought some wine and nibbles, chips, everything. So I think it should be a really nice afternoon, especially with that weather.
I like that. She's got. We were a millimeter.
Doesn't matter. I can see that from here, mate. I can see that from here.
We're winning 5-1. This is how we do.
Winning?
Oh yeah.
5-1, I'm not sure of that.
Absolutely. 5 for our team, 1 for your team.
Living on a sailboat can often be pretty isolated. Long passages at sea, deserted anchorages, and only checking into harbours to re-provision. But when sailors come together, something special happens. There's no one group of people that click together so quickly regardless of where you're from or what you do. Everyone you meet is eager to share a laugh, recount their experience, or share a cold one in the sun. We feel really lucky to be calling this corner of the Mediterranean home for the winter, and we're sure that we've made friends here for life.
Just woke up and today's a special day. We're gonna celebrate because happy birthday! Big boy!
That's exactly what you want on your 21st birthday, a camera in your face. One step closer to high risk category for COVID.
You happy we're gonna celebrate today? Right.
Well,
No?
as best as we can. Do we have enough wine?
Yes, we do. But are we gonna go for a run first and a swim? Are we gonna go for a swim?
Have you had a look at the weather outside?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright. I need a coffee. Thank you very much.
Got me an all McClory.
That was the most harmonic birthday I've had in my life.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Your melody was, the key was perfect. It was...
So you want it all day, do you?
all day.
We can arrange.
My personal troubadours.
Happy birthday, Luke.
Thank you very much.
Happy birthday, Luke.
Thank you.
We'll say happy birthday before you go out for your run and dive into that 17-degree water.
Exactly. Exactly. As I come back as a block of ice.
You just might.
It's all about stopping the wrinkles, right? Cryogenic freezing.
That's the one.
Good luck with that one.
Yeah, there'll be no wrinkles, certain parts of your body will be gone. Not to be seen again.
All right, let's do it, babe.
Enjoy.
You ready?
I am.
Let's go. Here we are, 9 o'clock in the morning. We've had a bit of breakfast an hour or so ago, worked a little bit. Now it's time to go for a run. The sun is up.
Oh yeah, it's really up. I can't see anything.
Forecasted to be 21 degrees today. Not a bad way to spend your birthday at the beginning of the year. Laurie's catching up. How you feeling, red face?
It's hard because I'm the one carrying everything.
It's part of the training regime. So we're almost at the end of our run. Laure's looking pretty shattered, but she's pushing through it like an absolute champion.
She's carrying the backpack.
She's carrying a backpack with a heavy towel in it.
It's half a kilo.
Half a kilo, guys. 500 grams. We're almost at the end. And you know what that means? Birthday swim.
Go, go, go! Go, 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 go!
Iceman!
Oh my goodness! I can't feel my legs anymore.
All right, in and out.
Oh.
All right, let's stop talking about it. Get some action. Bondi icebergs, here we go.
Oh my god, I think I can't do it.
It's okay once you're in and out. Your turn, baby girl.
No, I can't.
Woo!
The neck first then.
You gotta be quick. The neck first. Go, 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 go! Just drop. Drop it like it's hot.
1, 2, 3.
Hang on, hang on. Drop it like it's hot, baby. Go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3. That's not under.
No, my face, it raised a lot.
Well, she tried. Feeling acclimatized now. Gonna have frostbite in about 25 minutes, but I'm good.
So, we just came back from a run/swim. And now we're preparing everything for Luke's birthday because we're gonna have a barbecue on the pontoon with some of the neighbors, and I think it's gonna be pretty nice, especially because the weather is lovely. So yeah, I'm cooking right now. You can't really see, but we're gonna have some salads, some aperitifs, some bubbles, and of course a birthday cake. You don't want to tell people how old you are?
It's obvious, I'm 21.
Yeah.
Stupid question.
Alright people, if you want to know Luke's age, we'll tell you, or I do because he probably won't tell you. But if you want to know, comment down below, and if we hit, let's say
9,000 comments.
Let's be reasonable. If we hit 100 comments, we will tell you how old he is. How does that sound?
It's obvious, I'm 21.
Well, we've had a fabulous day celebrating Luke's birthday. So cheers, Luke.
Here's to many, many more.
I think Luke needs some more practice on his barbecue.
Totally agree.
Well, I actually think that Grant cheated a little bit with the barbecue, but there you go, never mind. But it's been absolutely lovely, and all the best to Luke for his birthday.
Yeah, I'd expect a guy to make more of an effort on his 46th birthday. but it's been great.
Happy birthday, Luke! You lucky sodding.
You're on video.
Oh, am I? Oh, to Luke. It is so wonderful to spend this wonderful day with you. Oh, yes.
No, look.
And
Cut. Take two.
Okay, again.
this has been the most wonderful day to spend celebrating Luke's birthday.
Say stop.
Okay, you can stop now.
Yeah, happy birthday, Luke. For your wonderful, it's a wonderful day. It's wonderful. We're very lucky, and you are very lucky. And we have a great party.
Feeling very, very fortunate to be able to chill out for my birthday with a cool group of people like this. This is awesome.
Oh, yeah, we've got one. Yeah, we've got one.
Yes.
Oh, right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Luke. Happy birthday to you.
In the water.
Oh, yes. Get him in
And then, of course, there is happy birthday to you, squash tomatoes and stew, bread and butter in the gutter. Happy birthday to you.
I have never heard that.
Have you not?
No.
You didn't grow up in
In Australia, it's happy birthday to you. You're 102. You look like a monkey. You smell like one too.
So, Luke's birthday is over. It was a lovely afternoon. I think a lot of people here really enjoyed the time we had. The weather was excellent, the food was nice, and the neighbors were just exceptional. I think Luke had a great birthday, so I'm really happy for him. I'm sure he'll tell you more about that later. And I think I'm gonna clean right now because have a look behind me. It is a mess, but it's okay. We had fun, that's all that matters. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy the birthday as well. Cheers, guys. So, guys, Luke took out the trash earlier and he was gone for like 30 minutes. I was so worried, especially because he's not totally sober and he was riding the bike. But then he came back and I understood everything.
What's happening, guys? So we've got so many people asking, how do you eat a Sicilian pizza? Well, these are my 17 steps to eating a Sicilian pizza. No, but seriously, the best way to eat a pizza, the true Sicilian way, is you take a quarter and you fold it and then you eat it. It's really not that complicated.
I don't think people want to. They don't want to know that.
Diavola. I've spent 11 years in Belgium, 5 years in England before that. I've never once gone swimming in Europe on my birthday in my life. I'm pretty happy that Sicily has given me the opportunity to do that.
Good.
And eat all this awesome pizza.
Yeah, I'm happy for you. It was a really nice day, right? With the peas.
We ate a lot of barbecue as well.
I I know, and we still have 20 kilos of meat in the fridge. My goodness, what are we gonna do with that?
I went a little bit crazy with the meat today.
Totally. Totally.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to know more about us, switch to Life on the Sea or pick up some cool Talia swag, check out sailingtalia.com.
Cheers, legends!